and gentlemen. We're having a good time over here. This is one of those days where we've got to do those Warren Buffett moments. I actually started quite early this morning doing a walk around the pasture through the flowers and thinking about this. And we've done 2 throwaway mixes, 1 mix that went into the sat. Did I restart that? Hold on a second. So we're running through the mixes right now. And I had to restart the sat there. And what we're trying to work on is a balance between the admixtures to focus on 3 things: the slump, the unit weight, and as well as the water content of the mix. We've got to get to a very specific slump, but our water content was originally too high. So now we're trying to reduce it, but it seems like there's an interaction that we're having between 2 of the admixtures that's causing a generation of junk air or entrapped air, really big bubbles. You know, how did David say it? It looks like a sourdough bread.
Yes.
Oh, David. Oh, David. But we're trying to go so low on the water that we kind of have to use that much. So I think that we're going to do. Brooke, help me again. We're taking the air totally out.
Yeah.
To see where the air generation is coming from. We're going to
increase the water
bump
slightly.
up the water a little bit because it does seem like it's starving for water, and we're going to keep the high range the same.
Yes.
So what we're doing is we did 2 throwaway mixes to see where we were with this idea, and now we're doing mixes to dial it in, and on those mixes we're doing semi-adiabatic temperature curves to see the 24-hour signature, and then we're doing 1 and 7-day strengths. And Whitney just got done doing the 24-hour strengths from yesterday's mixes, where we did our first set. So before we actually get into this mix, let's go talk to Whitney. So stay tuned for more information. We'll do a couple more videos today about what's going on today and a day in our life of actually formulating a mix. So awesome. But right now, just as a heads up, we are good on strength.
Yeah.
Without admixtures, we're doing great on the mix. It's just gotta dial in those admixtures.
Yeah. Get our slump where we want it.
Amen. Awesome. See you in a bit. Go Concrete!
Eat asphalt!